Meaning of indemnify.
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 Indemnify. The term indemnify refers to a legal concept in which one party promises to compensate or protect another party against any losses, damages, or liabilities that may arise from a particular event or activity. Essentially, it means to protect someone from financial harm or legal repercussions. For example, when purchasing an insurance policy, the insurer is agreeing to indemnify the policyholder against certain losses. Indemnification clauses are also commonly included in contracts to allocate risk and provide protection to both parties. Overall, indemnify ensures that one party is protected from potential damages or losses that may occur.